babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tulad. Natatandaan mo pa ba inukit kong puso sa punong mangga at ang inalay kong bumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita sa paglipas ng panahon. Bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Ngayong ikaw ay nagbalik, tulad ko rin ang iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tulak at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita.
Maraya, may gawa
Ilan sakit din sa laki. Kukunwari ko ito tumutay baboy. Ha? Kukunwari ko ito tumutay baboy. Mamanay. Sige, kukunwari mag-gurgur ka. Ta. Lagay, ta. Sige. Katay ka sa may mansanas. Kung kunwari tatangal mo. Ayan.
Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. picture dyan.
Ano yung video? May video, ay i-video mo irarata na yung sukyan.
Ah! Ah! Wish mo, amangay! Wish mo! Amang, ate wish mo, ay!
Ay, singer mo ang yung singer mo.
Sabog tayo ka na. Ate Baston! Ate Baston!
Wiryo.
Dahan bigla.
Ani irap ang dagan.
Ang mutalak eh.
Wiryo.
Di na. Inerdita na eh. Sira.
May 94 siguro. Ay, aliwa.
Basil ako, di Basil!
Ate, kandila pa. Salyo.
Wala. Batan, wala. Ah! Ah!
Ay, bulong.
Tebulong.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah!
Sige.
Ay!
Tulungan mo lapatan ni manggigigil.
Oh, sige.
Hoy! Asal na sa sama! Ipakulitan! Agay! Agay!
500 ang supply ka mo.
Amang naksawang kala mo! Ano, lagar ka rin! Agay! Amang! Agay! Okay. Oh.
Support.
Picture yo.
Ay, Baon ina, mapusa!
Ay asawa, pakulintas mo ta picturean.
Lagi mo, Intan. Intan,
Picture yo.
Ate ba kayo ay?
Thank you! Si Auntie Sidang, si Miray. Ah? Dito na po ito. Kasarap ito.
Picture yo.
Sige na, picture yo. Ate, tanggalin nyo na ito. Tanggalin nyo na mga yan. Takain na.
I miss those blue eyes, how you kiss me at night. I miss the way we sleep, like there's no sunrise, like the taste of your smile. I miss the way we breathe, but I never told you what I should have said. No, I never told you, I just held it in. And now I miss everything about you. I can't believe that I still want you. After all the things that we've been through, I miss everything about you, without you. I see your blue eyes every time I close mine. You make it hard to see where I belong to when I'm not around you. It's like I'm not with me, but I never told you what I should have said. No, I never told you, I just held it in. And now I miss everything about you. I can't believe it, I still want you.
Ay, lang, itiktok daw lang kasi dito. Ayun na lang.
Nakaprimbala to ah.
Ha?
But I never told you what I should have said. No, I never told you, I just held it in. And now I miss everything about you. I can't believe that I still want you. After all the things that we've been through, I miss everything about you, without you. Oh no, yeah. Oh no, I never told you. Oh no, I never. Oh no, yeah. Oh no, I never told you.
Grandpa, tell me about them good old days. Sometimes it feels like this world's gone crazy. Grandpa, take me back to yesterday, when the line between right and wrong didn't seem so hazy. Did lovers really fall in love to stay and stand beside each other come what may? Was a promise really something people kept, not just something they would say? Did families really bow their heads to pray? Did daddies really never go away? Whoa, whoa, Grandpa, tell me about them good old days. we call it progress, but I just don't know. Oh, Grandpa, let's wander back into the past and paint me a picture of long ago. Did lovers really fall in love to stay and stand beside each other come one May? Was a promise really something people kept, not just something they would say and then forget? Families really bow their heads to pray. Did daddies really never go away? Whoa, whoa, Grandpa, tell me about them good old days. Whoa, whoa, Grandpa, tell me about them good old days.
I'm gonna live my life like every day's the last, without a simple goodbye. It all goes by so fast, and now that you're gone, I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. I'm gonna open my eyes and see for the first time. I let go of you. Try letting go of his kind. There it goes, up in the sky. There it goes, beyond the clouds, for no reason. Why I can't cry hard enough? No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. I'm gonna look back in vain and see you standing there. And when all that
Three feet tall and full of questions. You must have thought I was the smartest man alive, and I didn't have all the answers to every little how and where and why. Like Daddy, why's the sky so blue today? Does Jesus really hear me when I pray? When I grow up, will I be just like you? will I be tall and strong and brave. There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong as your Father's love. A promise that's sacred, a promise from heaven above. No matter where you go, always know you can depend on your Father's love, especially when it's cold, especially when you're lonely, when your little heart's just trying to find its way. And I know the world is always changing, but remember, son, some things never change. Even when my life on earth is through, there will still be part of me in you. 'Cause some things are forever, nothing's ever gonna take my love from you. There is no power on earth like your Father's love, so big and so strong.
Dad, hindi ako makapaniwala na wala ka na sa amin. At gusto ko ring magpasalamat sa inyo ni Inay na naging katuwang ko sa akin, sa inyong mga apo sa pagpapalaki. Ikaw ang the best na tatay para sa akin. Iniisip pa rin kita araw-araw na wala ka man namang mananatili ka dito sa aming puso. At alam ko na naiintindihan mo ako kung bakit hindi ako nakauwi. Kaya pasensya ka na, Ama. Pinapanalangin ko na maganda ang kalalagyan mo. Lahat ng memories mo mga mananatili dito sa puso namin. Mahal na mahal kita. Kaya pagpasensyahan mo na ako kung hindi ako nakauwi. Wala man ako dyan. Nandyan ang anak ko na nag-alaga sa iyo. At ganun din naman gabayan mo ako sa aking trabaho. Rest in peace, Mang. Salamat sa lahat sa pagmamahal mo. Man sa puso ko na hindi makauwi. Wala akong magawa. Kahit gustuin ko man na mahal na mahal ka namin namang. Paalam.
Siya katawaan. Iya, ang itarya bilay tayo. Untan tumatad. Si kayo ya interton atang ko. Ya very lucky at tadwari tatay ko. Si kayo amang tumintan si tatay kung asyong iabangunan ko. Bimadagak kaya nantuwak yaon niya. Adyo siya katawan niya intertuod. Si kayo adyo ko malilingonan niya. mi kayo. Salamat kabilang at pamilya yung untan tumag-iri anak yung tako mo no antuman so pagkukulang ko perdona yung basta sa inyo baga salamat tan inararo ta kayo mahirap man niya ibagaya kian antakya masaya kila ditag ko na asing gerkila Diyos siya katawan tako mo na pikasiyo kami danda kami ni bis kami tan kasilya laman min man trabaho umbangon od masanto siya kabosan tan David iyuhit mi od buon pamilya mi untan tumatiray kukuya ko at sikira iya kababaing man nga ibaga perdona yu at salamat salamat dan rest and peace lang.
Have you ever just looked at someone and say, so this is what love looks like?
Wajak na ya tarawat ako. Saya di ginawa matapol. Bisa bijak. Salamat. Tenggan sampai paling.
The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. Worship Your holy name. You're rich in love and you're slow to anger. Your name is great and your heart is kind. For all your goodness I will keep on
Sabi mo lang sa mga asawa. Ay, ag mo lang. Di pa ano ito na ang gugus. Ika, tayo natin ganun ni Manay. Oh. Ay, di ba kasi pa nga sa punta mo sa ako nagwala na? Ayan lang.
Takiruman talikin. Wala lang man. Di ko rin kwarta.
Nagsulit na sa pakasal siya.
Ay, pakipot. Pakipot.
Hindi. Ari ako. Ari mayaman naman. Ako. Mata mo natin kaluan niya mo. Kalawan. Oh. Moga. Ay, masulis sa tamang mong kalawa.
Mamanhikan tila.
Pati karo mama kami di ba kami naman. Ano ba dyan? Abulan?
Ha? Akin na andilay. Akin na expert na tampol.
Magaling sa katong
Ha? Istorbo od. Okay. Akin na krediton to kay Siren. Krediton to kay Siren. Ay! Istorbot ugi. Lakat-lakat ko, no? Salamat.
Tinanong ikaw. Tinanong ko kung sino ikaw. Sabi niya, darling ka daw.
Wow, sa balo.
Ay laki, no malaking na ka, nasa ulam.
Pakasalan mo. Ha? Pakasalan mo.
Yes, I will worship your holiness. Lord, I worship your
Iya.